Hello dear students and parents, I am Dr. N. Swati, Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry Professor with 20 years of experience. Over the years, I have guided more than 1500 pharmacy students and I closely observed one common challenge in them, that is fear and confusion when it comes to organic chemistry, especially just before examinations. Since POC 2, that is Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 2, is currently being taught in both Telugu states and the final exams are approaching from February 2026 onwards, I am launching a 15-day crash course in Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 2 exclusively on YouTube. This course is mainly meant for B Pharmacy third semester students. Course is designed to help you understand essential concepts, master reaction mechanisms, and prepare confidently for exams without stress or overload. This course not only covers the essential concepts, but it also covers examination tips. Classes will be conducted from 29th December 25, that is from this Monday onwards, till 12th of January 2026, from 6 to 6:45 p.m., covering 5 units step by step. The course is mainly focusing on what truly matters for your exams. I'll be taking the class for about half an hour and then next 15 minutes is for Q&A so that you can instantly clarify all your doubts. To help out maximum students, this course will be completely free on YouTube for my subscribers. At the end of each class, related quiz will be given in the form of Google Sheet. You can find it in the description of the same live session when the class was conducted. The first student who scores full marks on each day will be given an exclusive offer for becoming member in my community. And now let me clarify about what is this community and offer. I'm also the founder and chief mentor in a private learning community called Chem Superstars Hub, where I support class 11, B Pharmacy and Pharm D students through structured recorded courses, regular quizzes, and weekly live doubts clarifying sessions. This ensures students are guided, supported, and never left behind in their learning journey. The students who are in B Pharmacy third semester are having POC 2 subjects right now. So they will be attending the classes. So for this, my course is already running on my community. So for these students, I am offering POC 3 subjects, that is Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 3 subject, which they will be having in the fourth semester. That means in the next coming semester. So the students, whoever completes the quiz first with highest score will be given an exclusive offer to become silver member of my community. So the silver member of my community will be getting Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 3 course, which you will be having in the next coming semester. If that student avails that offer, then they will be getting all benefits of that particular course, which I am offering in my private community. So if you are a student of B Pharmacy third semester or Pharm D student who needs clarity and confidence and better exam performance, then this course is meant for you. By the way, students, another important thing, this course will be enabled only for my subscribers. So immediately subscribe my channel, so turn on notifications so that you will not miss my live sessions. Let's remove your fear for organic chemistry and build confidence together. Looking forward to see you in my class. Thank you.